a great time.
What is this? Where did this phone come from? You fix the road, I will separate traffic. Do not enter this area.
Okay. Let's go!
Miraculously, I can see myself in here.
5 minutes later.
Hurry up, slowpoke!
Pay attention to the road and stay safe.
Come on!
1 hour later.
Go! Run! Right now!
Okay, here we go.
Hello, cutie pie.
You guys suck! Yeah! Transform! If you want to fight, you have to be...
Oh my gosh!
Why are you crying?
Hey! Go! 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 Come on! You can do it!
Sorry, it's my fault. I'm too addicted to the virtual world.
You should focus on work rather than games.
Escape and be happy like me. Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Hey! Hey, stop! Help me!
Hey!
It's too much trouble.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Hello, rescue team. Please come to our aid.
Much later.
Go! Go! Go!
Let's roll out. Transform!
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 Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey, we're here. Help us, please.
Bing bong!
We accept the assignment. Remember to be careful.
Okay already!
Yo, 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 yo.
1 hour later.
Okay, here we go. Come on! You can do it! Woo! Okay, let's rope up and ride!
Thank you very much.
It's no matter with me.
Hey!
This road needs to be repaired.
I think so.
Five minutes later. Water blast, go!
Yo, 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 yo.
Come on! Come on! Okay, here we go.
Goodbye.
Wonderful.
Mission complete.
Bye, have a great time. Wait.
Huh?
Hey! Can you help me gather this pile of sand? Easy, gotcha. $10 years later. All done? Thank you very much.
Yo, 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 yo.
Go finish the rest of the work. Remember to be careful.
Thank you, guys. See you later.
So boring.
The opportunity has arrived. Do you want to play with me to relieve your boredom?
I'm not going to hang out with troublemakers like you.
I won't cause any trouble. We're just having fun.
But,
It's just for fun.
okay, but don't break anything.
Of course.
Okay already.
Hey!
Are you ready?
Of course! It's not easy to be better than me. Grumpy, where are you? Grumpy, it's all your fault.
Those who look down on me deserved it.
What's wrong?
Much later.
What happened to you?
Help me. Grumpy tricked me.
Come on, you can do it. Okay, here we go.
The important thing now is to reorganize the construction site.
Transform!
Yo, 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 yo.
Woo, doggy, let's rope 'em and ride. Oh yeah.
Good job.
That's ridiculous. I won't let this go.
Yay, job done!
I want to remind you. You shouldn't listen to strangers and play around with them.
I should have realized that Grumpy wasn't trustworthy.
That's good to know. Now let me play with you.
Hooray! You're great!
I'm building our way out of this.
Hold on, team. I've got this under control.
Let's go.
Don't worry, you're safe now. I've got you.
Thank you!
Hey! Please take another route.
Okay already.
Hey, stop! We're building a road.
No build, me block.
Hold on, team. I've got this under control.
Transform!
Oh no, the materials.
Everyone, stay calm.
Why are you blocking us?
Me big, me strong, me block.
That's not responsible, Godzilla.
Oops, my tail is big.
That's why you should use them carefully. If you want to stay here, you must help us, not block us.
Hey!
Yes, help build the road.
You should learn how to work safely and responsibly.
Okay, Godzilla help. Nice, that's the right way.
One hour later.
When we work responsibly, we keep everyone safe.
Yes, yes, yes. Responsible.
Hey friends, exciting stuff coming your way. So hit subscribe and join the fun ahead. Just another day in the life of the garbage truck, casually doing its thing and dumping out the trash. Hold up! Check it out! A giant centipede on the scene! Watch out, garbage truck! Oh, geez! We've got a centipede with some serious wrecking ball skills. The garbage truck's doing not so well. Hold on tight, garbage truck. The rescue squad is rolling in. Time to patch you up and get you back on the road. We've located the first part. It's the head, but there is also a scary gorilla. Easy does it. We're gonna sneakily nab that head.
It looks so fierce.
Oh yes, nice thinking. Let's trick it with a yummy banana. Success! The gorilla took the bait and fell right into the banana trap. We've secured the head. Big win for the garbage truck rescue mission. All right, team, mission update. Now it's middle part time. The zoo animals turned out to be surprisingly chill. With a little charm, they handed over the middle part.
Thank you.
Double trouble alert! The wheels are deep in mud, and now we've got a surprise guest, a scary snake. How did it get there? You, get away! We've got it! Let's bounce! Something terrible is in that cave! It's construction time! Let's piece that garbage truck back together! Oh no! The garbage truck is missing its front wheels!
Where are the two wheels? The giant centipede is holding two wheels.
Come on!
Give us back the wheels!
Oh, come on!
Success! It willingly hands over the front wheels!
Oh,
Thank you. See you again.
Hey friends, get ready for an awesome video! Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe for more fun coming your way! The trains have collided! It looks really bad! Oh no! There's a bit of a spill! The oil tank is leaking! And water starts dripping onto the electric wires! What a mess!
Someone needs help.
let's go.
Yes, sir.
Thank goodness you made it in time, fire truck! Time to lend a helping hand and put out the fire!
It's terrifying.
Water power to the rescue! Awesome work, gang! Fire's out! Now it's the crane truck's time to shine! He's gonna help flip them over! Go for it, crane truck! everyone! You can do it! Now the trains are back on track! Awesome job, you guys! What a team effort! All right, team, it's time to roll up our sleeves and build a brand new railway system. No more train collapses in the future. The trench is looking fantastic already. Now, get ready for the next task as we build a bridge over it. All right, team. Let's set up the foundation for our bridge with 2 sturdy pole bases.
Oh, yeah!
The railway track is going to glide smoothly over this.
Oh, yeah!
And here's the cool twist. The second track will go under the bridge, allowing the other train to pass through.
Oh, yeah!
All right, trains, roll on. No worries about accidents in the future. Looks like something fun is about to go down in this dinosaur park. Subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting videos. It's time to transport these precious dinosaur eggs to safety.
Let's go.
Oh, it's dangerous.
Oh no! Totally didn't see that coming. Mr. McQueen forgot to look at the road.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
Help me!
Time to rally, team! We must fight our way to rescue those cars and the poor dino eggs.
Wait for a minute.
Let's gather some big, chunky trucks to lend their muscles and pull them up.
Hey! Someone needs help. Follow me.
Red, blue, and green trucks make the dream team. Brilliant thinking, team! Let's use stronger steel chains to ensure a sturdy and successful rescue mission.
Come on!
One up and one more to go. You guys are doing great!
Thank you.
One more.
Watch out, crew! This one's got the precious dino eggs. Easy, does it?
Yeah!
Thank you.
No problem.
I have to fill this hole.
Absolutely! Let's patch up that hole so we don't have any more surprises.
I need sand to fill the hole.
Okay!
Safety first, team. Together, we'll make sure the road is smooth for everyone. Looks like we're gonna need a truckload of more sand than we thought. Way to go, team! Just like that, we're starting to fill up the hole. Awesome job, everyone. Almost there, folks. Now, all we need to do is smooth it out, and we're all set.